The first layer, put approximate 2 cm of cotton pads into the bottles. The second layer, add approximate 5 cm of small gravels into the bottle. Add approximate 2 cm of big gravel into the bottle. Lastly, add approximate 5 cm of crushed charcoal into the bottle. Put the water sample into the water filter. Gravel filter out larger sediment. Cotton to filter out fine impurities. Charcoal remove contaminants.
Wash the turbidity bottle with distilled water.
Shake the water sample and pour it into a small beaker, then transfer into a turbidity bottle.
Pour the water that has been purified into the turbidity bottle.
Clean the turbidity bottle containing the unpurified water sample and put it in the turbidity meter to get the turbidity reading. The result is 7.22 NTU.
Clean the turbidity bottle containing purified water sample and use turbidity meter to get the reading for turbidity.
The result is 5.96 NTU. Clean the square cell by using distilled water.
Prepare the blank sample using distilled water.
Pour 10 ml of water sample into the square sample cell.
Pour 10 ml of water sample into the square sample cell. Set the color program in the spectrophotometer and wipe the sample cell. Put the blank sample into the spectrophotometer and read 0. Put the water sample into spectrophotometer and press read. The reading is 28.
Wipe the square sample cell and put the water sample into the spectrophotometer and press read. The reading is 2.
Press start to preheat the COD reactor to 150 degrees Celsius.
Mark the vial for blank. Suction of 2 ml of deionized water using pipette. Hold vial at 45 degree angle. Use a clean volumetric pipette to add 2 ml of deionized water to the vial. Close the protected lid. Invert gently several times to mix for blank vial. Prepare 2 vials for sample. Mark the vial for sample. Suction of 2 ml of water sample using pipette.
Hold one vial at 45 degree angle. Use a clean volumetric pipette to add 2 ml of sample to the vial. Close protection lid tightly. Repeat for other sample. Invert gently several times to mix. Wipe with clean paper towel. Open protection lid. Insert all the blank and sample vials into the COD reactor. Make sure the COD reactor is already in temperature of 150 degrees Celsius and heat the vials for 2 hours. After 2 hours, turn off the COD reactor and take out the vials for cooling process. Place the vials in vials rack.
Turn on the spectrophotometer and start program 435 CODHR on the spectrophotometer. Next, clean the vials that contain blank sample using paper towel and insert it into the cell holder. Press 0 and the display will show 0 value.
Take the reading of COD or the water sample using the spectrophotometer. Make sure to wipe it first. The result is 65 mg per liter.
Then, clean the vials containing purified water sample using paper towel and insert it into the cell holder. Push read and record the data